This is Versailles, near Paris. The Palace of Versailles was the home of one of the most absolute of Europe's absolute rulers. Louis XIV ruled over France from 1643 to 1715. Louis, like other rulers before and after him, believed that a king was God's instrument on earth, ruling by authority of divine will. But the Age of Enlightenment would challenge this idea. 13 years after Louis XIV died, and during the reign of Louis XV, a traveler returned to his home here at Le Bret, near Bordeaux, France. Baron de Montesquieu, a French nobleman and judge, had visited many parts of the world, and now, in 1728, he had begun to set down his thoughts. On and off for nearly 20 years, he wrote what would become his greatest work, in which he opposed the divine rights of kings with the natural rights of the common man. At last, one evening in 1748, as was the custom of the times, Montesquieu gathered a committee of his friends and read his completed work aloud to them for their opinion before publishing it.
De l'esprit des lois, chapitre 1er. Des lois dans le rapport qu'elles ont avec les divers êtres. Les lois, dont la signification la plus étendue.
As part of his work, The Spirit of the Laws, Montesquieu had studied many governments and concluded that a government like that in England was closest to an ideal government. It was a government whose powers were separated into three branches: the executive, legislative, and judicial. Each division checked and balanced the other, and the result was freedom.